Hi guys, I'm super excited to share our Tea Lovin Gnomes release. We have these super adorable gnomes. They're all drinking tea. Some have books, some have little teacups, some have iced tea. They're just so cute. And here's a little card that I did, and I love how it turned out. I added some glossy accents to the cup to make it shiny, and it's just so cute. And I did use the Easy Wonder Die number 2 to create this card. Here's a couple more cards from our design team member, Megan. She did an amazing job using the Tea Lovin Gnomes kit, which I'm going to share next. So I've listed this Tea Lovin Gnomes kit as a bundle in the shop. You can find that at nottoshabbyshop.com. In your kit, you're going to find your super cute gnomes. You're going to find Peachy Mint Bliss 6x6 paper pad. I absolutely love these colors. So you get this minty, greenish blue color. You get a nice peach, very pastel, and the patterns are simple patterns like polka dots, little triangles, gingham, and plaid, and little hearts. So I absolutely love this paper. You can use it for so many occasions. You're going to find lots of uses to use your gnomes. This paper matches your Tea Lovin Gnomes so perfectly, and as you can see, Alicia's cards here, look how beautiful that paper and ephemera go together. You're not going to want to miss Alicia's video coming out on the 16th. She is Call Me Crafty Al here on YouTube. Also included in your kit is the Minty Peach Bliss Sparkly-Enamel-Dots. They coordinate perfectly. They give your project just the right amount of shine. Exclusive to the Tea Lovin Gnomes kit, you're going to get this beautiful 4x6 clear stamp set called Sip, Relax, Enjoy. It features these two adorable gnomes drinking tea. I absolutely love these characters, and you get some really great sentiments to go with your ephemera as well. So let's go ahead and read these sentiments. We've got, thanks for all you do, you make me happy, tea time, a sweet hello, good things happen over tea, tea makes everything better, you're my cup of tea, sip, relax, enjoy, and have a terrific day. So this was really fun to color. I created 2 cards using this stamp set. Look how adorable. And I used it with the Sweet Summer paper pad, the one with all the lemons. And then I also used it with the Peachy Mint Bliss paper pad. So I think the stamp set is great for both of those paper pads. I'm going to share the Life is Sweet paper pad next. Now, if you love this paper pad, it doesn't come in your Tea Lovin Gnomes kit, so be sure to look for that on the website and add that to your cart as well. It coordinates perfectly with our pet tape. So this is the Lemon Gnomes pet tape, and I absolutely love this combination. Be on the lookout for Christy Marcotte's video. She made some amazing cards using the pet tape and the Life is Sweet paper pad, along with Carrie V, Sunshine in My Pocket. She is also on YouTube using this collection. I love the yellows and greens and all the lemons. It's just so fresh, cheery, and bright. This paper will surely make some cards to cheer someone up. So I will have all the links in the description box for you. Head on over to the shop and see what's new. Thank you so much for supporting the shop. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.